Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of mute notifications on the application of Strava. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about Strava app and you will click here in this page. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.